Hello, my dear people. It's 4 a.m. in the morning and I'm leaving for a grand trip, heading north. Right now I'm in Sunnyvale, California, and today in the evening I'm gonna be in my favorite area in the whole world. It's Mount Hood area in Oregon. I have about 700 miles to ride today, so I'll better go. See you later. Sunrise. Beautiful moments of being on the road. How is my new microphone setup, by the way? You guys hear me well? I know that tires are a little bit noisy because I put knobbies and I'm on the pavement, so there is a tire noise, but overall it should be much better now. But look at this view. This area is very dear to my heart as well. Oh, and on the left from us, here is Castle Crags State Park. See this? Rocks. There are also a couple of hikes here in the area, in this park. Yay! This is Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta is a sacred site for many people, and there are a lot of meditation places, and people go here from all over the world to experience being around this mountain. It is mid-June and there is still snow up there, but for mountaineering it's actually good because snow holds the rocks and they're not falling, they're not rolling down, so when it is snow there, it is much safer to, well, there are two sides of this. First, when there is snow there are avalanches, and second, when there is no snow then there is a rockfall. So to climb this mountain you want to find a sweet spot somewhere in between, like when there is already no avalanches, so the snow has melted a little bit, but when the rockfall has not started yet. And this is usually from April to June. Looks like the conditions are pretty good right now. This mountain pass is right before crossing the border with Oregon, and it's 55 Fahrenheit here, so not bad with heated grips and really good hand guards, which also work as wind protectors. So after this mountain pass we will be crossing the border with Oregon. 51 Fahrenheit. I think it should be around 10 Celsius. Hope it's a bit warmer after the mountain pass, but it's still fine. 47. Thinking if I should stop and put on more layers or just wait till this mountain pass is over, not sure. 44. Okay, it's 42. It's like 5 Celsius and I want some more layers and winter gloves. That's just called my brain is fine, no worries. I realized I was
recording with microphone off. I was saying that it's not like your climate control in the car where you can just adjust it and that's it. Requires some more manual work. I think I should be fine. And gloves, gloves please. Gloves please. Oh, that is much better. 1300 miles on my brand new bike. Yay! Up, 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 up. On the road again. Pa-pa-ra-pa-ra-pa. On the road again. Of course it's rain. Welcome to Pacific Northwest. And this rain on the left, right there, it looks a bit on the harder side. I hope to get to this blue light in the end of the tunnel faster than this guy approaches me. Let's see. Surfboard. Surfboard looks really weird in this weather. When it is cold and rain. 39 Fahrenheit, by the way. Surfboard, I mean on top of the car that just passed by. Yay! Made it to the blue sky. And the clouds behind me just closed up. Just on the road where I was just passing. I'm not sure. So I can see it in my mirror. You see? Everything is gray there, and I think it was just a couple of minutes that separated me from being in this storm. Welcome to Oregon. Yay! Thank you, Oregon, for the blue sky. Running out of gas here. The closest gas station is far away, and I'll have to use my canister. Never thought that I'm gonna use my extra canister, extra fuel from the canister on highway. No. On highway and not somewhere in the wilderness, which would be more expected, right? This is the third rain of today and it's only 2 p.m. Welcome to Pacific Northwest. Oh, I miss this weather, I miss this forest, enjoying this stuff. Lunchtime! Lunchtime! Okay, it's not just rain, it's hail. Hail knocks me into my helmet and into my shoes. Variety of weather today. I found a local eatery here in Bend, Oregon, and I think I've just had a best burrito in my life. Their approach is to make food healthy, and I'll leave the link to them down in the description. I really like the concept of this, and the food was so good. I took some more meals with myself to go. They have burritos, they have healthy bowls, and a lot of options with no meat. And this
is my favorite area in the whole world. This is the forest around the mountain, which is called Mount Hood. And this is my escape whenever I can. I've done this road in between California and here maybe hundreds of times. By motorcycle, by car, anything works. Yeah, hope I eventually land here for longer. For now, it's just living here for a month or for a couple of weeks. Whatever time allows. Just look at this forest. I mean, I could just become one of these trees and be super happy. My favorite place on earth be like. Oh. One thing that makes me happy is that I am not camping tonight. I booked myself an Airbnb for tonight. And I was considering camping in first. You know, Moskomoto opened their campground in their backyard in White Salmon. Oh goodness, look at this. I'm not even sure if this is fog around around my motorcycle or if this is fog on my visor.
I think it's not much difference when I open my visor. Oh boy. I might want to do like this. I just recently partnered with Clearwater Lights, and I got my lights installed right before I left on this trip. So it's very much in time. Thank you, Clearwater Lights. I think in these conditions nobody would ever be able to see me without these super powerful additional lights that I have installed right now. There are beautiful views on the left. Oh, okay, they are opening up actually. See? We are lucky. Okay, wind is what I missed. Yes, thank you. Yay! This is true Pacific Northwest. Oh, wow! Look at this fog! Whoa, whoa, whoa! So beautiful, so much beautiful. Wow. Is it even normal to like this weather? To like this weather and these views when everything is covered in fog? But I find it beautiful. Also, it's 5th time today when I put my motorcycle into rain mode. Oh. Yay! Mount Hood Coffee Roasters. Best coffee shop in the area, but I will probably not stop. Sorry guys, not this time. Crazy. This is crazy. At least temperature is not freezing, so I'm fine. That was the first day of a grand trip. We are heading towards Washington and Canada, and we just made all the way from California to Mount Hood area, where we will spend a couple of nights. But this is a first long trip for this beast, which I don't yet have a name for, but I'm sure next couple of months will be super exciting. And thank you for being with me on my journey. Thank you so much. I'll see you next Sunday.